Hello friends, it is Running Kimono. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the best gain deals this week over at the Dollar General. So typically these two boosters stack. If you want to do this before Saturday, it's an extra $5. If you're doing it on Saturday, you can get up to $10 off, which is fantastic. To go through a couple rules, of course, Saturday the 24th is when you're having the biggest savings to buy a $30 gain basket and to get $10 of savings. All digital coupons are a one-time use, so if you use some of these coupons earlier in the month, unfortunately, you can't use them twice. Because this is a larger basket, I encourage you to bring a pad of paper and pen, take some old-fashioned notes in the store, use your Dollar General app to ensure you're grabbing the right items and that the digital coupons are in fact attaching. These are Michigan prices also for this video, so if you're living in a different part of the United States, a little bit more, a little bit less. Any issues that you have at checkout, don't be shy to void your transaction. And not all regions, the two boosters stack, just to note that, but most do. And just to show you a quick little photo of a receipt, a couple weeks back, I went and did a deal and I got like my basket down to $8, which is not too shabby. Take a look at that tax. Oh my gosh, $1.08. I didn't know I was independently rich, but that's a bit of tax right there. But I mean, to get a basket with this much gain for that cost, it's great. Now, a little brush up thing for people that might have issues with digital deals, and this is courtesy of Coupon Farm Girl over on Instagram. Fantastic lady. She wrote this, and this is totally spot on, that there is for this week a $2 digital that's attaching to many different items, and there's also a $3 coupon. So if you're trying to utilize both, make sure that you scan the smaller item first to attach with that $2 digital, so you'll get both the 2 and the 3 working. That's just fundamental. And just to give you a visual example, like, what does this mean? Say you were going to buy this gain fling for $13.50. Well, both digital coupons are in fact attaching to it. So if you're trying to buy also a $6.95 detergent with, you would have to scan this guy first, which is the $6.95 detergent. Get the cashier to scan this first and then the $13.50 flings. So both coupons come off. Sometimes you just can't just throw everything at the cashier. You have to do your checkout a bit methodically. So thank you, Janet, for bringing that up. I just wanted to share this because I know a lot of you kind of like these little tidbits, and that is precisely how to get all the digital coupons to come off perfectly. In the last many videos, a lot of you are asking about Pumpkin. What is the update? He's my cat. Well, he ran away again. He was saying that the food sucks at my house, so he left. Now, he apparently used to work at the Dollar General stocking shelves. Our eldest cat, Daisy, well, she wants to go find him. If you guys see him on the I-75 or one of the interstate highways, please let me know in the comments. Okay, so the first two deals that we're doing are digital. So you're going to need your two boosters, which is the 5 off of 25. This is a Saturday only booster. So you can only use it on Saturday, the store coupon, along with the 5 off of 30. So please load both of them so you can partake in this deal. So we're going to be grabbing one of these items for $6.95, whatever you want. I always say to grab fabric softener, but whatever off of this list you would like. And there's a $2 digital. And then we're also grabbing this big mama for $13.50, and we have a $3 digital. So as I said earlier, you're going to scan the $6.95 product first and then the flings. So in that order. And the next item that we're going to grab is 2 of the Febreze small spaces with the gain scent. And then we have this wonderful 3 off of 2 digital. And then to round the basket to $30, we're also going to grab 2 of these, which are the fabric softeners for $3.95, or whatever product you want for $3.95 in the gain line. I always go with fabric softener because I'm lame. I'm just always fabric softener. Okay, so looking at the math for this one, this is the order of how we're doing it. 1 of the gain detergents for $6.95, 1 gain fling, 51 count for $13.50, 2 Febreze with gain small spaces at $3 each, that's 6, and then 2 of those fabric softeners at $3.95, well, that's $7.90. We have a total right here of $34.35. You'll punch in your phone number as the cashier is scanning the stuff. The 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $8 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. you're left with paying $6, or you're left with paying $16.35 out of pocket plus your tax. And then at the bottom of your receipt, you're going to get a 501 off of a $5 purchase on your next order, making it $11.35 for the 6 or $1.89 per product. We have the promotion running of spend $15 on P&G products, and the gain line is working. You're going to get one of these at the bottom of your receipt. This is an older one from 2017. This deal pops up the odd, whenever, but it has to be $15 of stuff before tax. So that's why the math is a bit augmented in that last one. That's why we're grabbing two of those items at $3.95. But yeah, this is really fantastic, and I would use this right away. Go back in the store and buy some paper towel or toilet paper or whatever. It has to be $5.01 or more, or this thing will not scan. And no, you cannot use this in another 5 off of 25 deal because it will cancel it out if you read the fine print. Okay, guys, next deal that we have again is digital. So we're going to need the 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 25. So please make sure that you have this guy loaded along with the big sister, which is the 5 off of 30. Let's remember that we're going in on a Saturday to do this deal because we want the maximum savings with these 2 store coupons. Okay, so we're going to grab one of these for $13.50, and we have a $2 coupon that's attaching. So I would absolutely scan this guy first. Not negotiable. Scan it first at checkout. And then we're also grabbing one of these Gain Fling 51 counts, and there's a $3 digital coupon as well that's attaching to this. Okay, so just to give you guys a peek, like, what are the digital coupons? Here they are. So we have a $2 for the larger detergent, and then the $3 for the flings. Now, to get the basket right to 30, we're going to grab one of these, a multi-surface cleaner by Mr. Clean with the Gain logo on it, so you know you're grabbing the right one. It has to have the word Gain, and these are $3 on the nose. Find them in the section with the dishwashing detergent, that sort of stuff. That's typically where it's at the store. So looking at the math for this one of the Gain detergents, 150 ounces, is $13.50. One Gain Fling 51 count is $13.50, and then one Mr. Clean with the Gain scent is $3 on the nose. Adding all of that up, that's $30. As the cashier's scanning the stuff, you're punching in your phone number into the keypad at checkout. The 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 will be coming off, along with $5 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $15 out of pocket. This does not include your tax. You'll get that goofy coupon on the bottom of your receipt, which is a $5 on your next order. It makes it $10 for the 3 items, or $3.33 per product. The final deal that we have is with a paper coupon. So you'll need an insert coupon to do this deal. We're going to need the 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 25. Please make sure you have this guy loaded, along with the 5 off of 30. So you need these 2 to play. Okay, so the first item that we're going to grab for this basket is one of these products for $6.95, whichever one you want. And that $2 coupon is attaching to it. And there's a whole different host of items here too. So isn't that just great? And this is the $2 coupon, so let's not forget at checkout that product for $6.95 gets scanned first. And then we're also going to grab 2 of these for $13.50, so the 51 count of the flings, 2 of those. And then we have this digital, which is a $3 off, so please make sure you have that one loaded. And then in the savings insert, formerly the Retail Me Not, you'll need one of these coupons. So it is a $3 off, and the verbiage is very strict that you can only use one. So we're just going to use one for this, and it'll work with those Gain Flings. So 1 digital and 1 paper for this deal. Okay, so looking at the math, guys, 1 Gain detergent at $6.95. So scan that guy first. And then 2 of the Gain Flings 51 count at $13.50 is $27. So your total right here is $33.95. You'll present 1 $3 coupon from that insert of April the 11th for the $3 off the flings. And then you will punch in your phone number as the cashier is scanning the stuff. The 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 will come off, and $5 of digital, the $2 for the detergent, the $3 for the flings. You'll pay $15.95 out of pocket plus your tax, and then you'll get a $5 on your next order at the bottom of the cash register receipt. And so it makes it $10.95 for the 3 or $3.65 per product. As these are the larger Gain products, I don't think this is the worst price for that, because $3.65 is kind of a stock up price in my book. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.